Hey guys, are you looking for a quiet place in the hill country, very peaceful with new homes, but you still want close proximity to San Antonio? Well, today I'm going to take you to a place called Meyer Ranch here in Bulverde, Texas. And sits in between Spring Branch and New Braunfels with quick access to San Antonio, perfect for that country feel. Hey guys, I'm Jana Cervantes and I'm with Cervantes Dream Homes and Better Homes and Gardens. And today I am out in the beautiful hill country of Bulverde, Texas at a new master plan community called Meyer Ranch. So stay tuned because I'm going to show you everything there is to know about this great neighborhood. One of the reasons people like this community is because it was designed to fit in to the hill country. They didn't cut down every tree. It's very peaceful. There is easy access to Highway 46 to 281 to 35 to New Braunfels to San Antonio to Spring Branch. So anything you've ever wanted. But I think the thing that I love the most is that it is just peaceful and you're out in the hill country and it's just a great place. There are some great builders out here. We've got Chesmar Homes. We've got David Weekley Homes. I'm going to take you into some of those. We've got Scott Felder Homes. So I want to show you what you can get for your money out here in Meyer Ranch. The amenities out here, guys, oh my goodness. They have fitness centers. They have swimming pools. They have walking trails. And again, it's in the country setting. Even though you're very close to city living, it is in the country setting, and that's what makes it so desirable for the people here in the San Antonio area. So I want to take a second to just show you some of these homes. We've got DBR Homes, we've got Chesmar Homes, Scott Felder, just beautiful. I want you to see the neighborhood. It's just gorgeous. Guys, if this is the first time you've ever been to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and tap that bell so you can get all the notifications about all of the great things happening here in the San Antonio metropolitan area. And sometimes I even bring you the not so good things. So stay tuned and let's go look at some of these beautiful model homes. We're going to start off and we're going to go into this beautiful home right here. And this is called the Brook. And it's about 26 square footage. Lots of character in the outside. Love the curb appeal. Very pretty. This home starts at $580,000 and then of course can go up just depending on the upgrades. But let's go look at this beautiful home. It has 4 bedrooms. It is 3.5 bath. Has a study and a game room and just all this cool stuff. Look at that door. Love the high ceilings. Very pretty. Very nice. Okay, when you come in, you can see you come into a very big entryway. Love the ceiling. Lots of natural light. High ceilings. Very nice. So I'm going to take a right here and I'm going to come into the front bedroom. Look at that natural light. Gorgeous. Good size. Good size closet. Really nice. Okay. And then right here with this bedroom, you've got a full bathroom, walk-in shower, no tub, single vanity, very pretty. Okay, then we come back out, you can see there's the front door. And then here is where you would have your garage. It's a design center right now, but that would be the garage. And then right here, we've got our laundry room. Nice size, lots of socks. And if I don't have a million of those. Really cute mud area here. Very nice. And then those are the stairs, and I'll take you up there in just a second. Let's finish looking. So right here to the right, you see we've got some closing barn doors that are really stylish nowadays. A lot of people have them. Love the look of them. Open study with natural light. Really nice office area. And then as you come through here, you've got an open floor plan, which is very popular with a really large island with the sink in it. You can see you can pull up bar stools. And as I pan to my left, whoo, look at that fireplace. So you don't have to have the heat. And here in Texas, hey, you may not always need heat. Very rarely, but it does have cool ambiance. You've got the high ceilings, vaulted ceilings with beams. Let's look at this kitchen. Wow. Walk-in pantry, custom cabinets. This is a gas community. Very nice. And then over here, you've got your area for your dining. So fancy dining right here for the whole family. And then here, you've got your bar stools. All right, let's look outside and see what they got. Okay, so when you are here in the Texas Hill Country, one of the things that you want are the views. And look at that. That is beautiful. What a beautiful back porch, high ceilings, covered area. Really nice. Love that. So here we're on the other side of the fireplace, and we're going to come in here to the primary bedroom. Architecture on the ceiling, lots of natural light. Coming in here, you've got a standalone tub, one vanity there, a large closet. Whoo, that is nice. I could do my dancing in there. Woo woo. Here we've got another vanity. And look at this walk-in shower. Just beautiful. Gotta love that. All right. So you've got the 2 bedrooms downstairs so far that I've shown you. You've got the study downstairs. So let's make our way upstairs. And oh, nope. Just kidding. Taking a left here. Oh, Smithson Valley. Where my son graduated. My oldest. We all know my little one graduated from the Steele High School. All right, nice. Here's another really nice size bedroom. Very nice. And then here is their bathroom. And this one has a shower tub combo and the single vanity. Very nice. Now, so you've got all 4 bedrooms downstairs along with the study. So upstairs, let's make our way. This would be the game room, the loft area, the TV room, whatever you want it to be. Okay. Very nice. Gaming room if you have gamers. Love the Guadalupe and Comel tubes. So cute. Look at the dog. Okay, so again, this one starts at about 580,000, just under 2,900 square feet here in Meyer Ranch. I just took you through a Chesmar home that started at about 580,000. I'm here in Meyer Ranch, and we haven't talked about the school district yet, and I might know a little about that. This is Comel ISD. I was actually an assistant principal here for a while. And my oldest son graduated from the high school that this subdivision feeds to, and it is one of the top rated schools and school districts in the area. So if that's something you're concerned about, then no need to worry, because Meyer Ranch, A-okay with school districts. The next video home tour I'm going to do for you is a David Weekley home. And this one is right under 2,900 square feet. It is all one story. It starts base price about 500,000. Obviously the model home is more than that, but you know, you can get it anywhere from 500,000 up anywhere to 650,000. So let's go check out this beautiful home. Okay, love the porch, covered area. Very nice. This is a 3-car garage, although right now it is a design center, which is normal. But when you come in here, you can see it's got a nice big open hallway. Very nice. This is where the garage would be. So just ignore that. So I'm going to take you to the first downstairs. Well, they're all downstairs, huh? First suite. This one actually has a full bath with a walk. Oh, love the turquoise tile. Walk-in shower, no tub. But look at the architecture in this front room. So pretty. And it's very big. So mother-in-law, great guest room, or maybe just a lucky kid that gets their own area. Okay, so we're going to come here, and to the right here, we've got our mud room. Very nice. And here we've got our open study. Super nice. Good size. Okay, and then here we've got 2 more bedrooms. We're going to make our way in here. We've got the laundry room. Very nice. We've got 1 bedroom here. Good sized closet. Love the paddles. How cute. And then we've got giddy up cowgirl room. I love the way they decorate these rooms. If only I was so talented. Okay, and then we have a really large bathroom here with 2 different sinks. So that's nice. Look at that shower. It's huge. And this one has your tub. So if you have somebody who likes to take a bath, there it is. So let's go into this open floor plan. Wow, that's all I have to say. Look at the huge island with the bar stools. Very nice. Love the big walk-in pantry. So beautiful. Lots of counter space, lots of cabinets as well. Love the 2-tone. See the brown on the bottom, the white. Got our open dining area. Ah, there's a red bird. If you know me, you know that's lucky. Okay, beautiful. And then look at the size of this living room. Really nice. Lots of open feel here. Not cramped at all. Love the windows, the natural light. Ah, look at the back porch. It's covered, ceiling fan. Nice size porch. Goes all the way. Love that. Okay, so I'm kind of excited about seeing the master retreat, what they call it, because I heard there is a closet that I could live in. So let's go see. Okay, primary. Wow. Gorgeous. Lots of room. Oh my goodness. Look at the shower, y'all. What? Okay. Yeah, this is crazy. Love it. Showering could be a group project. Don't do that though. Hello. Double vanities. Really pretty. Here we've got the tub area. I mean the toilet area. Oh my goodness. Are you kidding me? This is not a closet. This is a whole separate room. Wow. And you know what, guys? I would still find a way to fill it up. Yep, I would. And then here is a linen closet. Oh, this is beautiful. This is a David Weekley home, just under 2,900 square feet. Starts mid-5s, goes up to about 650,000 if you want all these upgrades that they have. But it's a beautiful home. Reach out to me here in Meyer Ranch. Just a great neighborhood with country living in Bulverde, in between Spring Branch, in between New Braunfels, close to San Antonio. You can't miss it. I hope you've enjoyed our tour of Meyer Ranch here in Bulverde, Texas. Just a beautiful neighborhood. Great place to raise a family. Great place to retire. Great school district. So peaceful out here and quiet. I don't even have to put my mic on because there's no noise. It's amazing. So if you are thinking about making a move to the San Antonio area, guys, reach out to me. Call me. Shoot me an email. Shoot me a text. I will answer you, first of all, usually within about 2 hours, if not sooner. And second of all, I can help your transition here be as smooth as possible to the state of Texas. Anytime you move, it should be stress-free. I know it's a huge purchase. I know it can be stressful. I have lenders that can help you. I have title companies that can help you. We can help get your interest rate down. We can do buy downs. We can do all kinds of things. So if this is an area that you want to be in and you need me to help you sell your home to get here, just call me. You're out of state, just call me. All right, whatever it is, I want to help. See you in Texas, y'all.